Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to reach out to those of you that are still sitting on the fence, to those of you that have done your research into precious metal investing, and to those of you that haven't yet pulled the trigger on your first purchase. Now my advice to you would be just buy any piece of silver. I'm not saying go out there and buy a 10-ounce art bar, that is way over spot. I'm not even saying go out there and buy just a 10-ounce bar in general. Just go out there and buy any piece of silver that appeals to you, get yourself on the ladder, and then just see where the journey takes you. Now you could start off with some old circulated silver. You could start off with some more kind of numismatic pieces. You could start off with the kind of bullion that a lot of people like to stack, not so much now with the American Silver Eagles due to the premiums. But the point of this video is to say just buy some silver. Get out there, go to your local coin shop, go online, go onto eBay, just buy some silver. Wherever you decide to make your first purchase, just get involved, just get some silver under your belt, in your possession, because I guarantee you once you have some of this stuff in your possession, it will open up a whole new world. It will make you do more research into it. It will inspire you to look at not just precious metals investing, but other investing in general. It's a great way of saving money. It's a great way of turning your fiat currency into something that's not going to be just spent down the pub or wasted on clothes. So that is my advice to those of you that are still sitting on the fence. Very, very quick video. If you're sitting on the fence and you're not sure whether precious metal investing is the right thing for you to get into, just buy some silver, get it in your hand, have a feel of it, have a play around with it. If you don't like it, if it's not for you, don't buy any more. But I guarantee you, once you have some of this stuff in your possession and you start doing more research into it and you realize that it is a great way to protect yourself from inflation. It's a great way to stop yourself from spending. Every time you go to the pub, you'll think to yourself, do I want to get myself a meal while I'm in the pub? Or do I want to go home and eat some food that I've already got in the cupboards and buy myself another 1-ounce silver coin? So, very short video. Buy yourself some silver. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment section. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.